Welcome student. Today I'll be discussing some questions answer from CSIR NET from the topic of electrochemistry again. And the first questions is question number 1 to 9 came in CSIR June 2016, that the ionization energy of hydrogen atom at its ground state, means when the electrons present in 1s orbital, approximately 13.6 eV. The potential energy of He plus in its ground state is approximately कितना होगा, ठीक है. So IP of hydrogen we know that minus 13.6 eV. So He plus ionization potential here, He is 1s2 electron present in 1s orbital, and for He plus the configuration is 1s1, so one electron has to be removed from 1s orbital. And for He there are two proton in the nucleus. Okay, there are two protons in the nucleus, so the equations for the IP of He plus hydrogen like atom is minus 13.6 multiplied by Z square and by upon N square. So here N is 1 because the electron present in 1s orbital, and Z is 2 because the atomic number is 2. So the equation, so we put minus 13.6 into 2 square, so equations becomes the answer is minus 54.4 eV. So the correct options is option number 1. Then next questions came in CSIR December 2016. The ionic mobilities of cation NH4 plus and anion SO3 minus are 6 into 10 to the power minus 4 volt inverse second inverse and 5 into 10 to the power minus 4 volt inverse second inverse respectively. The transport numbers of NH4 plus and SO3 minus are respectively. So we know that the transport number TNH4 plus is equals to ionic mobility of cation NH4 plus upon the summations of ionic mobility of cation and anion both. So if we put the value here, we will get 0.545 for T of transport number of NH4 plus. Now if we calculate TSO3 minus transport number of anion, that will be the ionic mobility of SO3 minus upon the summations of both the ionic mobility of cation and anion, and we put the value, we get 0.455. So here the option number 1 is the correct option. Next question came in June CSIR 2017. The electrochemical cell potential E after the reactant and product reach equilibrium. Okay, so we have to calculate the cell potential when the system is in equilibrium. Okay, so at equilibrium they are given, and also additional information given that E0 is the standard cell potential and N is the number of electrons involved. But the options are number 1 E is equals to E0 plus NF by RT, E is equals to E0 minus NF by RT, E is equals to E0, and E is equals to 0. NF we know that N is the number of electron transfer, F is Faraday constant, that is 96,500 coulomb per mole, 96,500 coulomb per mole. R is the gas constant, standard gas constant, and T temperature. But we have nothing to do with these things, okay, because that already said that the cell is at equilibrium. So if any cell reactions at equilibrium means there will be no change in the concentrations of reactant and product, so there will be no transfer in the electrons. Okay, at equilibrium there will be no transfers of electron. So if there is no transfer of electron, cell potential necessarily 0, and also the G is equals to 0. We know that G also 0, the free energy at equilibrium is 0, and G is equals to minus NFE, and cell potential also 0. Okay, and if the reactant and product reach equilibrium, that does not mean that the concentrations of reactant and product are same. So if we put the value, that concentrations of reactant by product and following the Nernst equation, if you put here, and it will be 1, so this part will be 0, and the equations will be E cell is equals to E naught cell. But this is not correct, because at equilibrium the concentration, it is not necessarily necessary that the concentrations of reactant and product is same. It is means that there will be no net change in the reactions at equilibrium, so there will be no net flow of electrons, and the cell potential will be 0. So here the option number 4 is the correct options. E is equals to 0. Now the next questions came in that the potential that is came in CSIR, which is came in CSIR December, that is came in CSIR December 2017. Okay, so the questions were the predicted electromotive force or EMF of the electrochemical cell in anode, the Fe solid converted into Fe2 plus aqueous of concentration 0.01 molar, and here Cd2 plus cadmium 2 plus in at cathode, that will be converting into cadmium solid. Okay, and the concentration is again 0.01 molar, and given information, the reduction potential of both anode and cathode are given. Okay, now so what will be the electromotive force? Okay, 4 options are there. Now for anode reactions, what happens? Fe solid converted into Fe2 plus ion, and in cathode Cd2 plus ion converted into Cd solid. Okay, by accepting electron, here by releasing electrons. It is nothing about, you have to put the Nernst equations. Okay, so E cell is equals to E cathode minus E anode if both the potential are the reduction potential. Then we can write the E0 of cell is equals to E0 of cathode minus E0 of anode. E0 means E naught. Okay, so this is the E cathode minus E anode, and both of the standard cell half cell potential for iron and cadmium, both are given here in the form of reduction potential. So we can write that E cathode minus E anode minus 0.059 by n log of C Fe2 plus by C cadmium concentrations of Fe2 plus by concentrations of cadmium 2 plus. Now we know that here given that the both concentrations of Fe2 plus and cadmium 2 plus are same, 0.01 molar. So this part becomes 0. So only this part we have to calculate, and it comes out as 0.044 volt. So the option number 2 is the correct option. Then the questions again came in CSIR December 2017. Here it given that the if the specific conductance of an electrolyte solution is 0.2 ohm inverse centimeter inverse and the cell constant is 0.25 centimeter inverse, the conductance of the solutions kitna hoga? 4 options are there. First of all, we know that conductance is the reciprocal of resistance. Okay, and resistance we can write rho specific resistance into L by A. This is the cell constant. L by A called cell constant. So 1 by rho into 1 by L by A. 1 by rho we can write as kappa is the specific conductance. 1 by cell constant. So specific conductance is given, that is 0.2 ohm inverse centimeter inverse. So here we put the value, and also cell constant value is there, so it comes out 0.8 ohm inverse. Okay, so the conductance is the 0.8 ohm inverse. That option number 3 is the correct options. So thank you.